Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from blondelish.com, and today I'm super excited to show you a recipe from my first ever cookbook, I Heart Cheese. This is a book for serious cheese lovers that features 60 ooey gooey cheese-based meals. You'll find the order links in the description below, so make sure you check them out. The recipes are super easy to make and include textures from fresh, soft and hard cheeses. They also explore different flavors from extra mild to super pungent, and I'm pretty sure you'll find your favorite here. One of my favorite cheese is ricotta for its creamy texture and mild milky flavor. So today I'm going to show you how to make ricotta cheese at home, following the recipe in my book. Once you try this recipe, you'll never want to go back to store-bought cheese. You only need a few simple ingredients and 2 hours of your time, most of which is inactive time. But enough talking, and let me show you how easy it is. In a heavy bottom pot over medium heat, add the milk. Let it heat slowly until it's just about to boil. And don't forget to give it an occasional stir to make sure it doesn't catch the bottom of the pot. Meanwhile, in a small jug, whisk water with citric acid. Stir until fully dissolved. Once the milk is just about to bubble, add in the citric acid mixture. Using a wooden spoon, stir gently up and down for about 30 seconds. Almost immediately, you will see the white solid parts forming. Just turn off the heat and let it sit for 45 to 60 minutes. Meanwhile, set a strainer on top of a large bowl for draining. Line the strainer with a double layer of cheesecloth, leaving a few inches of cheesecloth hanging over. Once all the translucent liquid has set on top of the pot, use a slotted spoon to skim the curds out into the prepared strainer. Allow the curds to drain for at least 30 minutes, or longer if you want a drier cheese. Next, pull up the cheesecloth from the sides and gently twist them together to put pressure on the cheese to release more whey. The more you drain, the crumblier the cheese will get. Add the cheese to a bowl and stir in the heavy cream and sea salt. Our homemade ricotta is ready! Now I've transferred it into a clean jar. The cheese will stay fresh in the refrigerator for about 5 days. But I've never heard of anybody keeping it that long considering how good it is. Now, let me show you how I like to serve it. Smothered on toast, sprinkle with roasted pecans and drizzle with honey. This is heavenly! The homemade ricotta is rich and fluffy and makes a great breakfast, snack or appetizer. That was it for today, cheese lovers. Thanks for watching. You'll find this recipe plus many others in my cookbook, I Heart Cheese. Just click the links below to have this cookbook delivered to your kitchen. Or why not send it to a serious cheese lover? I'm sure you know many. I really hope you like it. Oh, and don't forget the wine!